What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a 2013 Toyota Corolla with a no start condition. Let's check it out. Completely dead inside, no power whatsoever. First, we want to start by making sure our battery has power. As you can see there, we have 12.6 volts on our power probe. Then we want to come over here and check ground. And we have ground at our battery. As you can see, they have aftermarket battery terminals, which already look suspect, and I don't like. I prefer to go with the OEM. Now that we know the battery terminal is charged, we want to make sure power is going from the actual battery post through the terminal into the power wire, feeding power into the rest of the vehicle. We have 12 volts here at the post itself, but when you go here, I don't have power. I don't have power here, but I have it in the battery, but it's not coming from the battery through this terminal into the power wire that would bring power into the vehicle itself. Luckily, I keep battery terminals on deck for these kinds of situations. We have power at the battery post. Now we have power to the wire feeding power into the rest of the vehicle. As you can see, the door light is on, so our vehicle now has power. Well, I think my work here is done. I hope this is a lesson in showing you that sometimes you just need the OEM part. And sometimes the aftermarket stuff just doesn't work. It just won't mix. Until next time, guys.